Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we will turn our focus to Greece, where once again no deal was reached as Greece's reforms proposals failed to unlock the bailout funds it desperately needs to meet its loan payment deadlines. On Tuesday it must pay 1.5 billion euros to the IMF or face a default, which could trigger a bank run and ultimately an exit from the euro. The focus now turns to the resumption of talks on Saturday morning. What is apparent is that there is a strong political desire to get a deal done. On a more positive note, yesterday's figures for US consumer spending in May showed their largest increase in almost 6 years, providing evidence of accelerating economic growth in the second quarter. Now we turn to European markets, where we'll start by looking at the UK 100, where it's down just over 30 points this morning. The German index is nearly up 25 points from its open, and the France 40 is just up over 8 points this morning. Heading across the pond, we saw the US Supreme Court ruling upholding tax subsidies boosted by US hospital stocks to record highs yesterday. Equities were down over the Greece situation as we saw the Wall Street rolling fall 71 points or 0.42% to 17,890.36. The US 500 lost just over 6 points or 0.3% to 2,102.31. And the US tech rolling dropped just over 10 points or 0.2% to 5,112.19. Now concentrating on more corporate news, Tesco's UK sales went up by 1.3% during the 13 weeks to 30th May, although the supermarket warns some volatility remains. Tesco's share price climbed just over 3.6% this morning as investors digested what appeared to be the first signs of a turnaround under new chief executive Dave Lewis. The troubled supermarket has reported its smallest declines in more than a year, while volumes are up. Tesco has stemmed its declines. Group like-for-likes were down just 1.3% for the 13 weeks to 30th of May, while volumes rose just over 1.4%. That's significantly better than analysts' expectations, which had the decline at anywhere between 1.6% and 3%. In the UK and Ireland, the decline was just 1.5%, but this is still an improvement on previous quarters, which Tesco management put down to the investments they are making across their offer. There are now over 180,000 more customers shopping at the supermarket than last period. International performance has almost improved, with a decline of only 1% compared to 1.7% in the same last year. Total group sales dropped by only 0.5%. Initially seen as the ugly duckling, it looks like Drastic Dave is on the road to recovery, but is now out of the woods. Now for our main data in focus, we have at 3 o'clock we have US May Consumer Sentiment Index, and at 3:15 we have UK speech by Mark Carney. That's all for today's news, and enjoy your trading and also enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much.